In this video, you will see how to draw line in Canva. It's very easy. To draw a line in Canva, you need to click here on the draw option and you will see here different panes. You just have to click on the pane and then you can draw a line. If you want to draw a straight line, you need to press and hold the shift button on your keyboard and then draw a line. So you will get a straight line. You can also use the other options as well from here and then press the shift button and draw a straight line. The other method is you need to click here on the element option and here click on line. You will see different lines under the shape. Click on any one of the line and the line will be inserted. You can change the color of the line from here by clicking on the line color and then click on the color of your choice. You can also change the line style from solid to dashed, dotted like this. If you want to increase the thickness of the line, you can use this line width option to change the line thickness. You can click on the line end option if you want to add arrow at the end of the line like this. Now the keyboard shortcut, just press L on your keyboard and you will get a straight line. You just have to increase or decrease the line thickness as required. In this way you can draw a line in Canva and customize the line. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Canva quickly. See you again in the next one.